Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with Me. In today's video, we will be learning about full outer join in SQL. This is a very important topic for interviews and real project, but many beginners find it really confusing. So don't worry, in this video, I will explain what full outer join is, how it works internally, when to use it, and a complete practical example using SQL tables. By the end of the video, you will clearly understand full outer join without any issue. So stick to me. First thing first, before moving to the practical part, let's talk about the theory part. What is full outer join and when to use it, how to use it, how to write joins, each and everything will be taught here. So, what is full outer join? Full outer join is a join which shows everything from all the table. Rather than it would be better to say from both the table. What things it will show from both the table? All the rows from the left table, all the rows from the right table, and matching rows where join condition is satisfied. But there is a catch. If there is no match means what? If there is no match of data in both the table, then SQL returns null for the missing value. As I've told previously, in simple words, full outer join shows everything from both sides. So we will learn about this thing in a practical example. For practical example, we have two table. One table have student and another table have projects. If you can see here in this SQL environment, just copy and see. Student table is here with two columns, four rows. Project table is here with three rows and three columns, right? So in this, what we want to see and using, I mean, full outer join. In this, we will see student with project, student without project, and project without student. Nothing is skipped. Seriously, nothing is skipped. Okay. So yeah, let's do a little bit of recap if you want to know about inner join, left join, and right join. Inner join, what it does, inner join shows only matching rows. Left join, what it does, left join shows all the data from left table and matching data from right table. Right join, what it does, all the data from right table plus only the matching data from the left table. Full outer join, all left, all right, everything in front of you in the output. So kind of, if in interview, like recruiter ask you what is a complete join, like most complete join, what join would you say as a most complete join? Directly say full outer join is a full, I mean, I would say most complete join because all the data from the left table and all the data from the right table is visible in front of you in the output. You will be able to know the null values plus those data which are matching and which are not matching. Simple as that. Not matching means null, matching means data is there. So you can see both tables are there. And if you notice one thing in the student table, check once. Student ID is 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the student table. But for the project table, if you check, there is 1, 2, and 5. That means student ID 5 does not exist in student table. Student ID 3 and 4 have no project. Simple. Simple as that. You can see in front of us. So in full outer join, we will be seeing all the data in the output. And what is the syntax for that? Let me show you this. Let me write it here, full outer join. And let's see the output. Let's see. Select everything from student YT, then full outer join project YT. Simple project table and student table. Right now, we will use a common column between them. I mean the data in both the table which is same. I mean in column wise. Obviously, we are doing this in column wise. Simple as that. We have student ID in project table as you can see here and student ID column in student table as well. So we will write on. Let's give a alias for this uh, as pyt on syt dot student id equal to pyt dot student id. ठीक है, done and dusted. Now when I execute it, let's see what do we get. See what we have received. We have received all the student id 1 2 3 4 and also all the columns from project. Like Rahul, student id is matching. We can see SQL analysis is the project name. Ananya, student id is matching 2 and 2 project Power BI. Karan, no student id is matching, no project name. Fourth is Neha, no student id is matching, so null and no project name. And last, there is one student id, that is student id 5 from project table, but that student id is not present in student table, so null in student table. Simple as that. In this way you can see all the data, like which is present, I mean the 1 2 which is present, and also which is not present. So which is not present in both the table, it will show null value to those table where data is not present. Okay, where data is present, obviously it will show. Where it is not present, it will show null. So no rocket science, very easy thing. And if I ask you like what is your observation from this table, directly you can say by seeing this, like Rahul and Ananya are having the matching data because student id is matching. Karan and Neha. No project. Why? Because student ID is not there in the project table. So null. Simple as that. And the Python project, Python ML project. Student ID is there, but there is no student ID in student table. So no student means null belongs to student table for the Python project, Python ML project, right? And okay, before moving forward, let me give you one kind of information like outer join. Full outer join does not work in MySQL SQL environment. One thing you can do, you can do left join, right join, and write a union in between them. It will give you the same output. Okay, same thing what I have written. Let me show you here. I will do union here and I will show you what kind of thing it will show. This is the thing. Okay, simple. You can do left join, union, same table. You can do right join. Okay, let me just select this so that you don't get confused here. For MySQL workbench, you have to do like that, and when you execute it, see you got the same output. For Python ML project null. Wait, let me do order by so that it is easy for you to understand. Order by student ID. Student I, oh sorry, this. Hmm, what happened? From clause. Okay. Missing from clause entry from table SYT. Okay, what happened here by the way? Okay. From is there. Everything is okay. What's the issue? We can see one, two. I just want to order by, but anyways, no worries for that. You can just check here one and two. Rahul. See, student ID is matching. Three is not matching. Four is not matching. Five is there. We have got the output. So for MySQL SQL Server, if you are using MySQL as your SQL environment in your machine, you can take the full outer join benefit by writing this kind of query like left join, union, right join. Simple as that, and you will get the output. So now the main question, when to use full outer join? Use full outer join when you want to completely see the data in the output. I mean to say, if you want to do complete data comparison in the output, then use full outer join. And suppose you want key, I need all the data in the output without losing any data, then you use full outer join. And suppose you are doing some kind of auditing, you are seeing like what data we have in both the table, kind of auditing and auditing, okay? Like this kind of auditing, if you want to do, then full outer join is there to help you out. And also if you want to find the missing relationship from both the table, like you want to see what data is missing in what table, and you want to see like what data is creating a issue in as a missing relationship in both the table, then full outer join is there for your rescue. So that's full outer join explained with theory and practical. If you understood this video, please like this video, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you would be able to know about my live stream. We do live stream each and every day, so that you get notification about my live stream. Join my live stream and ask me doubt then and there. I will be there to help you out. I will personally help you out in that live stream. Trust me. And also share this video to someone who is practicing SQL on a daily basis, or who want to brush up their SQL knowledge on a daily basis. This video is there for you. And also that's all about it. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding and happy querying.